So welcome to D2R. Please follow Instagram for daily MCQs. So topic we are discussing today is ceiling test. Ceiling test is a confirmative diagnostic evaluation of pernicious anemia. We have discussed pernicious anemia in previous video. Please go and check out. Now the reason of pernicious anemia is decrease in vitamin B12 and intrinsic factor. And pernicious anemia may be due to destruction of gastric fundic mucosa. May be due to autoimmune destruction of gastric fundic mucosa. Now pernicious anemia is also known as dangerous. Pernicious meaning actually is dangerous. Pernicious anemia is a life-threatening anemia. So before moving to ceiling test, we will look at how vitamin B12 is absorbed in our body. The first step is intake orally. Intake orally, in oral cavity, vitamin B12 and R binding protein follow vitamin B12. In stomach, vitamin B12 attached to the R binding protein and intrinsic factor also released at the same time. Now intrinsic factor follow vitamin B12 and R binding protein. They are both attached together till duodenum. So now in duodenum, intrinsic factor bind with vitamin B12 and the bond between vitamin B12 and R binding protein is broken by pancreatic enzymes. Now vitamin B12 moved into ileum. So we can say major site of vitamin B12 absorption is ileum and complete absorption of vitamin B12 is occur in terminal ileum. So these are the steps of vitamin B12 absorption. Now coming back to the topic, process of ceiling test. Process of ceiling test. So in ceiling test we use radio label vitamin B12, which means cobalamin. The name of radio label vitamin B12 is 57CO and 58CO. So these are given orally and simultaneously we will give intramuscular vitamin B12, which means transcobalamin. IM vitamin B12 means transcobalamin will bind major sites of liver and blood. So total 5 cases in ceiling test. Case first, radio label vitamin B12 is present in urine, which means it's normal. The reason of pernicious anemia is decreased intake. Now case second, radio label vitamin B12 is absent in urine. Then patient should be provided intrinsic factor. After that, radio label vitamin B12 will be present in urine. So reason was low intrinsic factor. Now moving to the case third. So in case third, we will provide intrinsic factor, we will provide vitamin B12, but still there is absence of radio label vitamin B12 in urine. Reason of this, microbial growth is increased in duodenum, so we will provide antimicrobial agent to the patient. So in case third, microbial growth increase in duodenum, and as we discussed, in duodenum intrinsic factor attached to vitamin B12. Now moving to the case number 4. So in case number 4, the reason of pernicious anemia is decreased pancreatic enzyme. So pancreatic enzyme is also helping in vitamin B12 absorption by breaking the R binding protein to the bond between R binding protein and vitamin B12 is broken by pancreatic enzymes. In case number 5, problem at ileal receptors. So thank you for watching guys, and do subscribe.